Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I'm looking a little crazy, but it is wash day and today is also pre-poo day. I am using my Chebe homemade DIY oil. The recipe for the Chebe oil will be linked up top and also linked in the description box below. This straight oil, there's no residue, there's no powder. Look at that oil. There we go. Now that is a Chebe oil. Chebe is to lock in moisture, seal it in, and help you to retain length. Chebe is never for your scalp. I know, no matter how many times I say this, someone's going to ask me, can I put Chebe on my scalp? Chebe is never made for your scalp. It is made for the length of your hair. This hair needs to be washed. My hair is not so dry, but it is looking a little bit homeless. To dampen my hair, I have my fenugreek water. There is actual fenugreek seeds in my water with aloe vera juice. The recipe for this will be linked up top and also in the description. Since the Chebe oil is not going on my scalp, what am I doing for that? So last night I already went in and applied just a little DIY oil to my scalp. So in preparation for today, so my scalp is good to go. It's just the length of the hair now. Right now, I am going to go under my hooded steamer because usually I do my pre-poo treatments overnight, but I want to get my wash day over today just for about 20 minutes. A little bit more oil there. I love how it makes my hair look clean and freshly washed even though my hair is not clean. Alright, so I just finished steaming my hair with my hooded steamer. Now, if you don't have a hooded steamer, you can always use a hooded dryer, or you can just keep on a plastic cap for about, 30-45 minutes. This is how the hair is looking. It smells so good too, by the way. On the other side, my hair is still a little hot because the steamer gets really, really, really hot. And my roots. And the back. Okay, and now I am going to shampoo and quickly deep condition my hair and then style it, and then I'm done with wash day. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.